Best 6 Document Cameras 2020. Document cameras are a great way to take advantage of technology in the classroom. Think, the modern classroom's overhead projector with a heap of extra bells and whistles. A document camera connects to a projector through a direct connection or a computer that allows the teacher to display real-time video, books, math problems, science experiments, maps, images, student work, and much more. The possibilities are practically endless. In this video, we are talking about and breaking down the 6 best document cameras on the market this year based on price, performance, durability, and more. We are taking a look at products in all cost ranges, so whether you are looking for an excellent value document camera or the ultimate best one, we have an option for you. As always, all the links to buy the products discussed in this video are in the description down below. For the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, make sure to check the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end and don't miss anything. Starting off the list with the ipivo V4K. If you're continually switching between documents, then the ipivo V4K high-definition document camera is a great pick. Its fast focusing speed minimizes the delay time and avoids interrupting your flow during a lesson. Another benefit of the V4K definition camera is its high frame rate that prevents unwelcome pauses. Staying at 30 FPS at full HD produces lag-free live streaming for a continuous flow in the classroom. This document camera further gives clear, non-distorted images even in low light like a darkened classroom. Its multi-jointed stand allows for capturing images at various angles and heights. When the joints come loose due to repetitive usage of the document camera, simply tighten the bolt that connects the joints with a coin. It also works with various applications and software a teacher may use on their Windows PC, Mac, or Chromebook. Next, we have the iachao S1. This iochao portable scanner has many powerful essential functions, including an 8 megapixel camera, scanning all files within A3 and 4 LED fill lights. The features of video recording and real-time projecting make it suitable to work on various occasions, like making music scores or ebooks, teaching, meetings, and more. Although, keep in mind that it only supports Windows operating systems and won't work correctly on a Mac OS. The S1 further has several functions using the latest technologies, such as intelligent picture shooting, optical character recognition, automatic correction and filling the broken edge of the scanned pages, automated image segmentation, automatically merging both sides of the scanned ID photo, and erasing the excess parts. Featuring a simple and stylish design, the S1 is the most flexible and portable document camera, and the relatively heavy base makes the structure stable. Also, as a carefully designed scanner, it is effortless for the users to install and use related software. Moving forward, we have the elmo 1349 model TT12ID. The elmo 1349 model TT12ID is a higher-end document camera. With the high price tag comes a fantastic feature set and a package that is the most popular document camera available on the market. Boasting exceptional optical and digital zoom, the camera can pinpoint any detail you need to show students. The document camera also delivers 30 FPS at full HD resolution, making it an excellent option for capturing sharp moving scenes. You can create interactive lessons with this document camera by combining hard copy documentation and digital slideshows or videos. Using the HDMI or VGA outputs, the TT12ID can connect to an overhead projector or other AV display equipment. If the presentation space has sound reinforcement, the built-in microphone or the 3.5mm audio input can be used to enhance the presenter's voice or incorporate pre-recorded audio. Further, the sources can be easily switched using the buttons on the included wireless remote control. Up next is the inabiz SH5200. Adopt the dual CPU design plus support for the key and remote wake-up with the inabiz SH5200 document camera. The system utilizes a high-performance embedded image processor and built-in MIC, which is allowed to complete silent frame 5 megapixel photographing and full HD 1080p audio-video recording. Its front camera supports fine mode and high-speed mode intake. In the high-speed mode, the camera can output the 30 frames per second 1080p image, which can be used in experiments and other times with high real-time requirements. The camera's main body can rotate 180 degrees, which allows it to directly shoot the front and rear activities, the sides, and also to shoot downwards. It also supports external computer access and switching. When used as a USB camera, the system can still project. Even if the resolution of the projected output is VGA, the computer can still receive 5 megapixel full-frame images via USB. The next product on our list is the iachao S3. This book and document camera has excellent page flattening algorithm performance and finger removal function to output a flattened page. It also comes aboard with a timer function to automatically start continuous shooting after turning pages. The iachao S3 document camera has a 17 megapixel camera to support ultra-high definition real-time demonstration and capture and display images of up to A3 size. Its 9 built-in LED lights further provide high brightness and is not affected by the dark environment. This multi-purpose scanner has the functions of video recording and real-time projecting as well. You can make music scores or ebooks and provide modern teaching, meeting, content sharing, and more. The S3 next generation smart document scanner comes with powerful software as well. The software is not compatible with Apple Mac OS. However, powered by optical character recognition technology, this document camera can convert captured JPG images into editable Word, Excel, text, or PDF formats with recognition high accuracy. And finally, we have the swan INS-1. Your INS-1 document camera from swan captures ultra-high definition images for output to projectors, TV, and large monitors, making your lessons come alive. The 8MP Sony CMOS sensor inside takes live pictures of 3264 by 2448 pixels at 30 FPS. The camera's auto-focusing lens shifts focus instantly between objects as well. The supplemental LED light and anti-glare sheet that comes with your INS-1 overcome extreme lighting conditions, allowing you to use the document camera anytime, anywhere. Also, its tiny base frees up desktop space. The durable multi-joint design allows for excellent image capture of 2D and also 3D objects. You can even connect your INS-1 to an eyepiece microscope to output microscopic objects to the big screen. Further, its built-in microphone works seamlessly with many different webinar programs for Windows, Mac, and Chromebook. It is, for sure, the right choice for distance education and web conferencing. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.